Alturas Women's Guide Pant by First Light is tailor-made to fit women and includes the same durable construction as the men's Corrugate Guide Pant. The tough yet breathable Duraflex nylon fabric is perfect for the active hunter. Four-way stretch offers comfort unmatched by any other pant of its kind, while multiple pockets offer storage while on the move. The Alturas come in sizes extra small to extra large and include loops for optional suspenders offering versatility and a perfect fit.